You're watching a seed saving video brought to you by the Spokane County Library District. In this video, we'll be talking about how to save coriander seeds. Coriander is a spice used in cooking, and they are the seeds from the cilantro plant. I rarely get enough cilantro seeds before my plants bolt and go to seed, and this is because cilantro grows best in cool, moist locations and will bolt around here when temperatures become too hot. Once your cilantro plant begins to flower, your cilantro leaves will lose their flavor. So better to just let the plants continue this process rather than trying to stop it by cutting off the flowering stalks. As you can see here, I have very dry stalks that I removed from my plant just a few days ago. Allow the seeds to dry out on the stalk, but harvest before they detach from the stalk. Be careful, even in harvesting, not to knock the seeds loose when cutting and moving the stalks. Once the stalks and seeds are mostly dry, cut the stem low on the plant, like I did here, and place them in a paper bag. Just a large grocery bag would be fine. These ones are kind of small. Store the paper bag in a cool, dry place for several weeks or until the stalks are completely dry. When the seeds are fully dry, it's easy to shake them loose from the stalks. I knocked a bunch loose, but I still have a bunch more. Store the seeds in a cool, dry location for the winter. A paper bag like this would be just fine. Properly saved coriander seeds will remain viable for many years. And remember, you can also make use of them in your cooking. You don't have to just go ahead and plant them. You will find engaging and free classes, programs, and events at our libraries at www.scld.org.